It offers an escape from the unending hustle without taking you away from the opportunities Lagos provides. Unlike the crowded corners of everyday Lagos, Lagos Newtown is designed for balance, with roads that flow, green spaces that breathe, home that inspires.
The vision for LNT was pretty simple. We wanted to create a location where people could live, work, and play. For us, the first strategy was creating an environment that people would be willing to live in. On that basis, we created different types of developments within the township, all across the different spectrum of different housing types, from the affordable housing to middle income to premium to luxury housing units.
Our active goal for LNT was to create a sustainable, large community to develop housing units that will assist in bridging the deficit of housing in Africa and not just Nigeria as a whole. So LNT community is to ensure that anyone who lives in this community has total well-being.
Of our Newtown commercial plots, which we're looking to develop into an industrial hub in the future. So we have large plots available for commercial and industrial use, mostly light industries. They're going to involve fully serviced infrastructure with electricity and utilities and a concrete road network, which we're investing a huge amount of money in developing over the next few years. The development of large communities is not new to Mixer, as we have done this across several countries, including Tunisia, Senegal, Mauritania, Algeria, and Morocco. The favorite of ours is the Residence Isafia in Morocco. Isafia is a high-density, low-rise urban development in the heart of Matil, which sits on over 100